Hey everyone! Adding the Nifty 500 to your TradingView dashboard is the best way to monitor the broader Indian market, as it covers over 90% of the market capitalization listed on the NSE. Here is how to add the index and manage your list like a pro. Step 1. Adding the Nifty 500 index. We are starting in the Watchlist tab on the right side of your chart. We are heading here to add the Nifty 500 as a single index first, which acts as the benchmark for your entire stock list. Click the Watchlist icon, the top icon in the right-hand toolbar, to open the panel. Click the plus Add Symbol button. Type Nifty 500 or CNX 500 into the search bar. Look for the result from the NSE exchange and click it. This is the benchmark phase. Having the parent index at the top of your list allows you to instantly see if the broad market is green or red before you dive into individual stocks. Step 2. Organizing and managing your list. Now we're in the watch list management phase. Once you have multiple symbols, like the Nifty 500 components you imported or individual pairs, we're heading to the drag and drop functionality. We do this to prioritize your most active trades. To reorder, simply click and hold a symbol, then drag it up or down to your preferred position. You can group similar assets together, for example, dragging all Nifty banking stocks to the top and moving IT stocks to the bottom. This is the prioritization phase. By keeping your focus list at the eye level, you reduce the mental fatigue of scrolling through hundreds of symbols during live market hours. Step 3. Creating custom sections. We're heading to the context menu. We do this to break a massive list like the Nifty 500 into manageable folders without actually creating separate watch lists. Right-click on any symbol in your list. Select Add Section. A gray bar will appear. Click it to rename it, example Top Gainers or Indices. You can now drag your Nifty 500 into your Indices section and your individual stocks into a Holdings section. You can drag entire sections to move a whole group of stocks at once, keeping your workspace fluid as market themes change. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.